Welcome. This is Paul with Wogger's Overland Adventures. Today I'm going to take a look at a couple things in the new trailer. This is a Timberleaf PIKA. And there's a couple items here. We made assumptions that this was going to come with, but didn't, so we're going to do a couple upgrades. One of which is these lights. We saw, these are like reading lights. We saw that on a video that someone had one of these trailers that it had a USB port, which would make it nice to charge your phone, stick it in the pouch, plug it in, but guess what? Ours didn't come with that. So I'm gonna replace those. They're DC lights. They're really inexpensive. Here's one version that we got to begin with. Very similar, but it comes, as you can see, with a USB port for charging things like your phone or camera batteries. We bought another set as well that I'm actually going to use. These I'm going to send back. The lights that we ended up with are these. This is like $45 for a set of them. So you can see it also has USB, but we like the look and flexibility more so of this style. These are off of Amazon. I can certainly put a link in the description. So I'm going to wire these in. We'll try that out. Make sure things can charge from those lights to our phones. And we can just leave a wire on either side so we can both charge our phones in the evening. And comes with directions. All right, we're inside trailer. We are going to change these lights out so we have USB connections. All right, we got us some wires hooked up here. Lay down and figure out how to get this screw tight. Shove these wires up here. It's a little bit of a pain. I'm going to rotate that right like so. Try it. Yeah. Reading lights. In addition to this one, it's pretty bright. Hope that's LED. Have to look at that. If it's not, I'll switch it out because I like LEDs. It's about the right brightness for in here. I like it. I'll go work on the other one. Shut the power off. Okay, so take these out. It's funny, these lights are white and black, yet they are wired to black and red. Right there. So we're going to, these new ones have black and red. So we're just going to cut off the white and black and stay with black and red. Makes it more obvious what's happening. All right, make sure I get everything hooked up. Don't want to end up with wire stripping in your bed, do you? I might get a little shit for that. Put the two blacks together. Could use wire nuts, but they're pretty bulky, so using these dudes, they work pretty good for this smaller stuff. Make sure you really crimp these good, because bad connection or they slip out in the wall, you'd pretty well be hosed. Yank on them, right? Okay, the new light has a ring that screws onto the wall, and you have to get that off. So a little screw here on the side, set screw, back it off. Enough to get that ring off of there. It does come with a couple little screws. That's not it. And an extra set screw, which is nice of them. You don't really need 4 screws. I mean, come on, the lights weighs ounces, so keep this set screw though. You want to put the ring on first. Sort of center. There we go. All this wire should stuff in there. Go red to red since we're not switching colors. Black to black. And you just screw this tight. Position it where you want. I got the USB facing down on this guy. I don't have any power yet because I got to turn the power on, because you never work with electrical with the power on, so I'm going to turn it on. Good indication that things are correct in here. Oh. We're going to check out phone charge. Bought this long ass cable because so I could plug it in over there at that plug and reach all over here, but now I can get some real short ones now that we got this. Ta-da! Charge all night long, just kicking it.